Toast to us, just because we made it through. What's dead is done, we lost, we won. Now it's time to grab someone and...
Hair featured in this video is from QVR Hair, and this is their Afro Kinky human crochet hair. I have mine in natural black and the length is 18 inches. I received 5 packs and I used all 5 of them, but you can definitely use less depending on the density that you would like for your hair. So this is how the hair looks fresh out of the pack. Just at a glance, I can tell that this is going to be an amazing install. The hair looks so natural. I'm showing you what my pre-loop strands look like. They actually look quite invisible when they're installed. I love how they manufactured these strands, and I'm so excited to get started to see how it turns out. So before this install, I decided to stop by my stylist to get my hair prepped and treated for this protective style. She also cornrowed my hair down for this crochet look. So here's what my braid pattern looks like. I decided to go with cornrows all the way to the back with a crisscross midway. This makes for a natural look in your parting area up front. I have one horizontal row at the very back of my head just in case I decide to wear my hair up in a ponytail. And I just have a little teeny bit of leave out on the front just for me to slick down my edges. So let's get started with this install. I'm just taking one of my strands and my crochet hook and I'm inserting it into my braid in a downward position. I'm going to open the latch, hook the strand at the middle, close the latch, and then pull it through. Once it's pulled through, I'll tie the strands with one knot. And if you want yours to be more secure, you may want to try 2 knots. Here the autofocus on my camera was a bit off, but I just wanted to show you that I'm able to easily remove the strands if needed. I'm just finding the initial loop and pulling, and it comes right out. Just showing you the removal one more time. It's a super easy process, and it allows for you to use this hair multiple times. So now I'm just going to allow you to see how I install the hair, so keep watching. To make my front look more natural, I decided to take my crochet hook and pull it through the front of my braid, allowing the hair to come through the braid, only pulling through one of the strands so it's nice and curly and creates that. forgot to mention that in each pack you get 4 bundles of hair, and with the bundles they come kind of interconnected, so you want to make sure that you're very careful when you're pulling out the strands, because I actually broke one of them. So just make sure that you're being super gentle and taking your time so that we don't waste unnecessary hair. And these are the finished results after the install. You can actually wear the hair like this if you prefer. It took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete this install, but that was only because I had to stop to get my children as well as eat. So you probably could finish this install if you already have your strands unravel in about 1.5 to 2 hours, just being realistic. So to define these curls, this time I'm using my silicone mix, a spray bottle of water, as well as my Melt and Slay, the Daily Setting Mousse. And this combination is a game changer when it comes to your extensions. So if you have not tried this combo, definitely try it. I am really loving this, and I will be using this on all of my wigs and extensions from here on out. So just follow along as I show you how I apply this combination and use it to define these curls. Y'all just look at this definition. As I'm gliding through, the curls are just coming to life. They have been resurrected, honey. I am just loving everything about this hair. It mimics natural hair so well. You can see that it frizzes, it detangles really well. And with the proper products, the definition is on an all-time high. I am in love, okay? Ryan Little. Japan. These are the finished results. Come on, natural hair. Doesn't this look like my hair, y'all? It looks just like 4C hair. Absolutely looks like it grew out of my scalp. It's giving so much volume and definition. The curls are just gorgeous. I could not have asked for a better install. This hair is so beautiful. You really don't have to do this, but if you want to just tease it a little at the top to make it look a little bit more natural, go for it, but it's definitely not necessary. This hair is so phenomenal. My husband was so surprised when he saw me today. Yeah, this...
I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is.
All right, guys, so you know what to do. Do not walk, run. Find the link in my bio to get you some of this QVR hair, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I will be wearing this style quite often, so if you see me with a big fro from here on out,